Your Vizio soundbar isn't working. Maybe there's no sound, Bluetooth won't connect, or it's just frozen. Don't worry. Before you think it's broken, I'll show you 2 simple resets that fix most problems in minutes. These steps work for almost all Vizio soundbar models, including Bluetooth, 2.1 and 5.1 systems, and they're completely safe to try. Soundbars store small bits of data to remember settings and paired devices, but sometimes that data gets corrupted, maybe after a power surge or a glitch during use. A reset clears all of that temporary memory, giving your soundbar a fresh start and fixing most connection or sound issues instantly. Let's start with a soft reset, the quickest fix for common problems. Turn off your soundbar and unplug the power cord from the wall. Then press and hold the power button on the soundbar for about 30 seconds. This drains any static charge inside the circuits. It's simple but surprisingly effective. Once that's done, plug the power cord back in and turn it on. Now test the soundbar to see if it's working properly. Power cycling like this often clears no sound issues, pairing errors, and random glitches. If that didn't solve it, don't panic. You can try a hard reset, which brings your soundbar back to factory settings. With the soundbar turned on, press and hold the volume down and Bluetooth buttons together for about 5 seconds. Keep an eye on the LED lights. They'll flash 3 times to confirm the reset. When that happens, the soundbar will restart and all settings will return to default. You'll need to reconnect Bluetooth devices and readjust your sound settings. But this method fixes even the most stubborn issues. After the reset, it's a good idea to check for firmware updates using the Vizio SmartCast app. Updates often fix bugs that cause Bluetooth lag, sound delay, or random disconnections. And if your remote isn't working, you can also use the SmartCast app to control your soundbar. It gives you full access to volume, inputs, and even reset options. If the soundbar still isn't responding after both resets, try connecting it to a different TV or device. This helps confirm if the problem is with the soundbar or your source device. If this video helped you fix your soundbar, give it a thumbs up. It tells YouTube this guide worked and helps others find it too. Comment below and let me know which step solved your issue. It might help someone else. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick, no fluff tech fixes that actually work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.